Hello YouTube viewers, it's Sharky here, and I know my audio doesn't kind of sound the best because I'm not using my blue stereo or blue Yeti mic to record this. But anyways, I welcome you guys to another Speed GFX. This time I am doing one of the banners from the giveaway I did on my main channel, and this is for Astra. This is all done from scratch, so I know you guys kind of like that stuff. But yeah, I'll leave the link down to their channel in the description below. I thank you guys for also hitting 50 subs recently. I wasn't paying attention to my sub count because I was focusing on trying to figure out a way what to do for 300 subs on my main channel. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. Yeah, but this Speed GFX actually did take a while. It took like around an hour and a half, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you end up liking my design that I did, leave a like. Be sure to share it with friends. Maybe they like to see cool stuff like this. Comment down what you think about the banner, you know, your feedback, what I can improve on, or maybe you just think it's flat out cool. And subscribe if you're new around here. I make videos, don't have a set schedule, but I make videos at 5 o'clock Central. And if you're subscribed and you have notifications turned on, you'll be notified as soon as I upload them. Anyways, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the speed art.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Stays like